What's up, guys? It's Jerome with Jobs Well-Done Cleaning, on the way to do another job well done. Today's job is a dryer vent roof exit. This is a townhouse, 2-story. The homeowner tells me that her exit is actually on the 1st story over her garage. So I gave her a price range because my range varies depending on if it's on the roof, if it's on the side, if it's on a story higher than the 1st. Prices fluctuate.
Turn left to merge onto I-95
because
Northwest Palm Beach.
obviously some are more labor intensive than others. I took this job sight unseen because I was on shift yesterday when this lead came in, and those of you that have Home Advisor know when you get your lead, you got to make that sale. You got to call first. You got to beat your competitors. Sometimes you can convince them to wait for you to go and do an estimate and see it yourself. In this case, the customer's dryer was given an error code and it's not working at all, so she needs her dryer ASAP. So I worked my magic, and honestly, I didn't work any magic. She told me, she looked at my reviews and she said, it's not rocket science. I see you know what you're doing. You got the job. Just tell me when you can come. One of the easiest jobs I ever got. Which goes to say, get your reviews in. They'll spread the word for you. This is a HOA with multiple units, so today might turn into multiple jobs. You never know. As always, the first thing I'm gonna do, turn the dryer on, do a wind speed check, see what the output is. I can even turn it on. Go to the roof exit, clean that grill out, clean out the vent pipe itself, clean behind the dryer and the washer, check all her hose fittings, all her connections. Anything out of the normal, I'm gonna tell her. Stay tuned, watch the footage,
I-95 North toward West Palm Beach.
and I'll be back. What's up, peeps? I just finished that dryer vent cleaning job. Another job well done. This was one of the most active clients I've ever had. A young lady who was on every move I made, not like watching me, but trying to help. Generally trying to help. And she helped me move the ladder. I didn't wanted her help, but she helped me move the ladder. She
Turn
had
right
already
onto North 18th Avenue.
She had already disconnected the flex duct from the back of the dryer. She did some work for me. So, and she's one of those people that likes to watch and know how to do it, so she can do it herself. The only thing I think that will stop her from doing this herself is the ladder part, getting on the roof. But other than that, if there was no roof work involved, I wouldn't be getting the call back, honestly. She's very hands-on, very savvy with her around the house maintenance skills. So I didn't get a lot of footage because I don't want to be talking on camera in front of the homeowner. And she wanted to converse as well, so I didn't really have a lot of narrative footage time. So I compiled some pictures and I put a kind of like a satisfying cleaning type thing out of this video.
Turn right.
So till next time, peeps, stay safe. And we just did another job well done.